In this tutorial, I'll show you how to select multiple elements in Canva. I have a flyer open in Canva. Let's say I wanted to select all the text in my file and maybe change the color all at once. So there's two ways to select elements together in Canva. The first way is to hold down your Shift key on your computer and just click each of the text boxes that you want to select. And you can see that now selects all these elements together. I'm going to click off that. The second way to do this is to use the position and the layers panel. So I'm going to select one element, and you see in our toolbar, you can see position. Click position and navigate over to the layers tab. In the layers tab, this allows you to select individual elements from these layers. Especially if you're having trouble getting to something in the background, the layers panel is a really great option. So if I want to select all the text here, you can hold down the Command key on a Mac, Control on a PC. You just click and select all the layers that you want from this layers panel. And this is a really nice visual way to see everything in your design as well. So look, all of these are selected. And now if I wanted to change the color, I can easily do that from here. So that's how you select multiple elements in Canva. I have some free Canva templates that you can download at the bottom of this video. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to Crye Studio for more Canva and graphic design tutorials. Thanks so much.